G'day everybody, Ozzy Man here. Welcome to your end of year poignant Christmas/holiday video that seems to be a thing I do each year. This year we're going to review time and space, maybe, but probably not so much space, although time and space may be inseparable. And apologies in advance that it looks like a Darren Aronofsky montage already. That's just the way this video has gone. But whoa, that's confronting. Stock footage of a clock going round and round and round and backwards, essentially, which is not really how time works. It just goes forward like a freight train. Is that sun rising or setting? I don't know, I'm already lost in time. Aging. That's something I'm thinking about lately. Decomposing as I am no longer a youngster. I'm going to be turning 40 in February. Everyone, don't make fun of me. Don't make fun of me. I'm realising time is a dickhead, basically. Like, it decides every facet of your existence, and you have no say over how it works. You have no say. Time isn't even equal in its approach, depending on where you happen to exist in the known perceivable universe. Live near a black hole? But time dilation. Some poor wanker out there in the livable universe got 1/8 of the existence you did, and neither of you can do a thing about it. Mainly because of gravity, but also because time plays by its own rules. And worst of all, the more we try to understand time, the less we really know about it. For centuries, man has dreamed of flying into the great beyond, one day making our home amongst the stars, defying time and space itself. We got to the moon. Don't argue, we got to the moon. That was sweet. Enjoy it. We've rested on our laurels ever since. But technology has gotten better, and now we've gotten a clearer look at the universe. And do you know what we've discovered? There's so much fucking time out there. So much. More than our human mind can comprehend. And we feel further away from the stars than ever before. In the 60s, the utopian post-World War vision of the future was one of interconnectivity and convenience. Just think of all the free time technology will give us in our day-to-day lives. Personally, I feel shorter on time than ever before. And less connected. Not to mention that this rapid acceleration of technology has severely reduced what time we humans have here on a habitable planet with which to enjoy it. Time loves to do that to you. It changes how you perceive things. I'm going full Aussie Carl Sagan on you here, I know that. But as a kid, you seem to have so much of it. You're like, I'm bored, I'm always bored, there's nothing to do. Then as an adult, it just goes. It speeds up and it's like, where the fuck did it go? I guess I've been asleep for a lot of it so far. That's where it goes. But not all the time. You got to get up. You got to have your coffee. You got to get going. Faster. Hop on the train. It's humanity's answer to everything, isn't it? Speed up. Then drink more coffee. Get to work. Have another coffee. Talk to Domo about how you're pooping too much from all the coffee you're drinking. But yeah, as the world gets faster, the smaller it also gets. Things feel inconsequential. Big stuff feels tiny. It smashes by so fast in a blur. But on the other side, if you do slow things down, way down, you start to see the world differently. Shit gets bigger. Look at those dogs, they're huge. Simple stuff has stunning complexity. This is just fucking wobbly black paint or something, but so much is satisfyingly happening. That's glitter. Glitter is annoying, it gets everywhere, it's sticky, your kid's homework gets covered in this shit, but slow it down. It's something else. Beautiful things happen in microsecond flashes around you constantly. You've got no bloody idea. Why is the water pouring on a handle? That's stupid and wasteful. Have you ever stopped and slowed down and watched popcorn popping? It's a work of art. I'd imagine it's similar to piles from a sedentary lifestyle. Not that I've had piles yet. I hope I don't get it. But just incredible how time keeps going, and you can barely comprehend it. Even if you could, who has the time? What the fuck? Okay, the stock footage I'm using here is officially taking the piss now. That doesn't make sense. Or does it? Perhaps this is a video about how humans and clocks are becoming a hybrid species. It's not all bad though, it has a sense of humour, time, kind of. The world around you can change so much, and yet so little at the same time. Like, how do we keep doing the same shit over and over, such as, well, Batman movies and fascism? Yeah, time is fair, or at least consistently unfair, and time is the ultimate teacher. It'll never lie to you, even if people do. Time is generous and honest. You know that movie trope of your life flashing before your eyes when you die? I reckon that is what happens when your time is up. Time gives you one little gift before you go. It's like, what do you want? Here's an explosion of chemicals and neurons in your brain, and time digs into your memory and your head and selects out the most cinematic, visually descriptive and important bits.
Get your hand off my penis!
I do. I reckon we're all going to get a bespoke random montage when we jump off the planet. You'll see your birth, your toes in the sand, maybe your favourite band shows up, Chasing Love. Time will be like, you enjoying this? You'll fly past Orion's arm, whatever the fuck that is. You will feel pain, but you'll feel love, maybe hunger.
I told you.
Your first pet will show up, Big Ben will get stuck in your head, you'll recall weird criticisms, ducks, the first time you saw ducks, friends you made along the way that you lost.
Stop!
There's your grandma all of a sudden. You remember every conversation you had about the dry heat of Perth, Lachie Neale's calves, Lachie Neale's goal, can't have the goal without the calves. Yeah, on my deathbed, I'll probably suddenly laugh and me son will go, what's funny, Dad? And I'll yell, Cybertruck's getting stuck. Yeah, you might have weirdly specific 2025 memories when time sunsets your life. For me, I guess it'll be stuff like Pamela Anderson staring at me like this after I told her I fuck spiders, Liam Neeson thinking I'm a real weirdo too. That'll be in there. Pedro Pascal signing an Oberyn poster for me. That's a nice one, actually. Angus Young doing a 10 to 15 minute guitar solo. I actually really hope that one's in there. Me son winning a running race. Me going to work in this padded room daily. Going back home. Going to work. Going back home.
Someone once told me time is a flat circle.
No, I do hope you've had a good time this year. Whatever your end montage ends up being one day. I just hope you've had a good time. Because existence is a big cosmic slot machine, just trillions of moments of pure chance. Time was nice enough to give you a spin, and for all the infinite, impossible to fathom endless amounts of time out there in the universe, it just never feels like enough, does it? I guess time is what you make it. Happy New Year, you big bloody beautiful bastards. I'm done. No, I'm done being reflective. Let's go eat and drink and be merry. Have a good one, and cheers as always for watching Aussie Man Reviews in 2025. You guys are my engine room. You're my absolute fair dinkum engine room. And I don't tell you that enough, but you are. So, thanks everyone. See ya.